Let's take a look at some work from number 6. How is this problem different from problems that we've solved so far? Say your answer out loud. That's right, this problem is a story problem. How can we represent and solve for what our problem is asking us to do? We have to figure out how much has Kayla eaten and how much cookie cake is left. How can we represent? Say your answer out loud. I heard you say that in the story, we know that Kayla baked a cookie cake and partitioned it equally into 8 parts. We also know that she ate 2 of them. We can represent by drawing her cookie cake like this, partitioning it into 8 equal parts, and then shading the 2 that she ate. What can we do to figure out how much cookie cake she has left? That's right. We can count the remaining pieces to figure out how much she has left. If Kayla ate 2/8, how many eighths does she have left? Yes, that's right. 6/8. Why did that work? How can we find the fractional part we don't know using the fractional part we do know? Say your answer out loud. Yes, that's right. We know that if we combine the fraction being referred to with the remaining fraction in a whole, we will get 1 whole. So in this problem, if she ate 2/8 and our whole is made up of 8/8, we know that she has 6/8 left. 6/8 and 2/8 give us 8/8. Smart. Even though this problem is a story problem, our approach is the same. You'll have more story problems in your work today, so remember to keep thinking about the relationship of the unit fraction to the non-unit fraction.